So you guys, before church, I wanted to do at least one prank. So you guys, and that's a prank on my granny. Guys, I'm just gonna call her downstairs and I'm gonna say, that my mom just called me and she got a shot. Oh, shut up. Granny!
Give me that shirt.
What shirt? So, my mama just called me and said that she's getting a dog.
I don't know what she's gonna put it there because she ain't bring it down here.
She said that she's gonna spend some time.
What?
She said that she's gonna spend some time at her house.
So what?
She said that she's gonna spend some time at her house.
Upgrade the Samsung appliances and get it to $500 back.
She's so funny with the prank, and I'm gonna prank my brother and say the same. Martez, do you have on any clothes?
Wait!
Martez, Mama getting a dog. He said, man, she getting a dog. Okay, so it's time to tell her that it's a prank and that she haven't got a dog yet. Granny, it's a prank. She didn't get a dog. Or she's not getting a dog. Like, the thing is that Granny hates animals, so she's not going to let a dog come in her house because she hates animals. I mean, she literally hates them. Like, I could be petting a dog or something like that, and she would be like, it could be the cleanest dog you've ever saw, or the best dog you've ever saw. Well, this is for the best. It could have been the cutest dog, and she'll be like, get that out of my yard. Get that out of my yard. I was trying to think that she's either one, allergic to dogs, two, hate dogs, hate them again, or just pitiful. So, those 5 things I'm just thinking so far because, yes, I am using my Canon camera today. I don't go live on my Canon camera because when I go live sometime on my Canon camera, like, it messes up my view. So, I don't go live on my Canon camera to be honest, but I will be doing that soon. But it's just, I think I need a bit more space, and then I'll be able to do that. But yeah.